What's up guys, welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max and well, welcome to another TTRS. We have done quite a lot of Audi TTRSs lately, the MTM one, the UPT one, and now it's time for the HG Motorsport TTRS with, well, let's do a walk around. I can show you some stuff. We have this very cool, or at least I think very cool, front bumper slash splitter in sort of silver with black Quattro written on it, a black grille. I think that front looks really cool. We've got some HG Motorsport stickers, SF hoses, HF series, Bull X exhausts, Ego X exhaust, because this exhaust is really loud. I will let you hear it in a second. We've got some different wheels as well. Schmidt Revolution, which are 3-piece, I think. Yeah, it's not everyone's taste, but it does kind of look cool. So especially that exhaust is really loud, and if you want to see more videos of this car, you can check out our channel, subscribe if you haven't yet, to support us. We really appreciate it. So let me just start this thing up. So this is, let's put it in dynamic and give it some revs. Already very nice sound, of course, that 5-cylinder with those pops. But let me show you this. We have a little remote by Ego X exhaust, and if we press this button, so that thing opens really wide. You can even see the mechanical parts. I don't know if you can see this. There it is. Very cool. The lengths I go through to show you stuff, guys, it's amazing. Okay, so let me rev it now with the exhaust open. Very cool. So let's go for a drive. I'm going to keep the exhaust open, put this in manual, and that's it. We're ready to go. So let's open the windows a bit to enjoy that sound. It really amplifies that 5-cylinder sound, which is awesome. Well, this TTRS has just the exhaust by Ego X and an intake, a new intake, which I forgot to show you, so I will in a minute. Which means you do really get that turbo sound, that hissing of the turbo. I'm sorry for all the squeaking, by the way. I couldn't leave our big case behind with all our camera stuff in it, so it's in the boot squeaking away. So the cool thing about this TTRS is that it's just that 5-cylinder turbo engine that gets amplified by that exhaust and that air intake. It's an open air intake, so you get those hisses, and it's a really cool sound, I think. Otherwise, it's power-wise, it's just standard, so no ECU tune or anything like that. Got some nice pops on the downshift. Of a 5-cylinder. That's awesome. Okay, so let me just pull in here to show you that air intake, because it looks quite cool. There it is. So SF hoses, 3.5 inch with an air intake. Really nicely done, and it looks really cool. And more importantly, it sounds great as well. So if you are interested in upgrading your car or tuning your car or whatever, you can check them out. HG Motorsport for those tuning parts. I mean, if you have a TTRS, this exhaust is really great, because let me just switch to normal drive mode and comfort, and then I'll switch off the exhaust or close the exhaust. There we go. So now it's just like a standard TT. It's really civil, and then when I open it again, you get that really nice 5-cylinder sound from that exhaust, which is really loud. I think it's the loudest we've had so far, which is always a good thing. So that was a loud one. I'm going to end it here. I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, you can subscribe to support us and to get regular updates. You can turn on the notifications if you want to know when we uploaded a new video. We would really appreciate it. And you can also follow us on social media for updates on our filming activities and stuff. So thanks guys, see you at the next one. Bye.